So do you have any more doubt?
Hi everyone, how are you all? It's been more than 2 weeks I published my last video, and here I am again back with another one. But this time it's a video that I had shot before my delivery, and I did mention in my recent vlog that I have an unedited video taken during when I was pregnant. I think it was just a few days before my delivery. That's the reason why I couldn't finish the editing for publishing. I had another one too taken, which is the changing table organizing video that I published just after my delivery. If you haven't watched it yet and do want some useful tips on how to wash and organize baby clothes and organizing baby changing table, please check that video. And I'm sure it will give you some ideas. During the last week of my pregnancy, it was getting really hard for me to even stand for a few minutes. The pelvic pain was unbearable that I had to sit just a few minutes later. My condition was I couldn't stand for a long time, I couldn't sit for a long time, and lying on the bed sideways was also very uneasy. Anyways, it was a lot of struggle, but it's all worth once you get your little bundle of joy in your arms. My parents had come on April 14th, that's a few days after Eid. My due date was on May 1, but I delivered Lian on April 23rd. Labor was really tough this time, unlike my previous 2 pregnancies. In fact, all the 3 pregnancies were unique and had its own hard and easy elements in it. Now, during my pregnancy period, it wasn't easy to manage kids' studies on my own. Thankfully, I have put them on tuitions, which was a lifesaver. And Rihan is in 10th grade right now, that he can't have any excuse or reasons for no focus. And it was last academic year we put him in team interval tuition for social, a subject that he had found really hard to follow or focus until he was enrolled in this tuition. However busy our life gets into, it should be never a reason to neglect their studies. We are truly happy and satisfied with the decision of enrolling him in team interval tuition. He is attending their classroom course. It's school-oriented academic tuition. Any students from KG to 12th standard can join their classroom course, which is based on curriculum. It's something that your kid can get an extra class or extra push parallel with the school. The best thing I like about them is their correct timing on their follow-ups, chapter-wise exams, parent-teacher meeting. It's like we have arranged a personal school for Rihan. And the main concern for online tuition being a parent is always a worry on tracking the system. For that, they provide a pre-charted academic calendar. When we go through this, we know the status of their class, which all portions are covered up, what all are left, how long will it take to complete. All such are very much transparent on their calendar. The best part of this tuition is that they take assessment test for each child willing to join. They evaluate their likes, dislikes, and accordingly they provide a personal tutor for the student. That's how Rihan got Subina ma'am, with whom Rihan is very comfortable, and they interact like best friends. Even now in my postpartum time, when we have someone who could interact with him and take care of the academics, it's something great. I still receive messages from many asking the review of Team Interval, his performance and such. As a parent, we are happy and well satisfied with their service and his performance after enrolling him. And some of you wanted to know about other courses Team Interval provide. There are courses starting for kindergarten up to teacher training course. I like their foundation course in fact, because that's where they improve the students' reading and writing within 20 to 40 days. They remove any blocks from what the child is facing and help them focus on improving their reading and writing skill, which is really amazing. They mainly focus on languages, and the highlight is this foundation course is available for any students from KG to 12th, and more courses are available like pre-KG, KG course for tiny tots, Montessori diploma course, spoken English course, and many such. I have mentioned all these in my other blogs too. In case you want to join, please connect with them and check out. I have provided all the details in the description box. Not just working parents, even stay-at-home mothers or moms like me who just had their new baby. Time is what we all lack. 24 hours isn't enough, I feel sometimes. So here we are able to choose a time slot as per our convenience. Even if we have any emergency on some days and our child isn't able to attend the class, we just have to inform the tutor and it will be postponed to the next day or any other day convenient. All these facilities are available in Team Interval, so we are truly happy with their facilities and services. Do check out if you need it.
Okay, so let's wind up today's session. If you have any doubts, you can message me or WhatsApp me. Okay. So, bye. Take care. Okay.
My mom has got some unique recipes that she has been preparing every time, and those while I have brings me back a lot of nostalgia. Have been eating those even now and it has got the same taste without any alteration or any different level of spices. It's exactly same taste when how mom makes it each time. One such I'm sharing here, and it's mom's chicken 65. Not sure if it's the same dish with this name that you get at restaurant, but what me and my brothers know about chicken 65 is mom's recipe. First, you need a marinade using a few ingredients. Crush a few green chilies, garlic and ginger. To the chicken pieces, add salt, crushed black pepper or black pepper powder, the crushed ingredients and some turmeric powder. Mix well, and this has to rest for at least 15 minutes. Meanwhile, blend tomatoes. To 1 kilo chicken, you need half kilo tomatoes. That's the ratio for it. Blend without adding any water. Heat oil in a pan to shallow fry the chicken, and parallelly place a pot to prepare the tomato gravy. Add some butter. Fry curry leaves and few slit green chilies. After a few minutes, or when it reduces spluttering, Add the tomato blend. Add salt and mix. Now this has to cook well, so reduce the flame and keep it covered. Let it slow cook. Shallow fry the chicken pieces alongside. Meanwhile, I was preparing tabola or taboli. It's a salad using parsley leaves and a few other ingredients. The tomato has changed the color and almost cooked. To add extra color, add tomato paste. This is completely optional. Here we don't add Kashmiri red chili powder or any food color. So to add that bright red color, this is the best option. Mix and cook till it's done. For tabole, you need parsley leaves, and please do not substitute with coriander leaves. They look similar, but the taste is entirely different. Use a mix of chopped cucumber, onion and tomato. Add the parsley into it. Give a rough mix. You will have to add a few more ingredients. One is the burgul or the broken wheat. You don't need a lot. Soak this in hot water for some time, say around 10 minutes. A drizzle of lemon juice into the bowl, some black pepper powder, a glug of olive oil, some salt and mix well. Meanwhile, mom added the fried chicken pieces into the tomato gravy, which has reduced a lot. If you want more gravy, you can add a bit early. But this is a semi-dry dish. Add the soaked broken wheat into a bowl and wash. And then squeeze out the water from it completely and keep aside. Add this to the bowl and mix well. And this is ready. I was walking 2 times a day, in the morning and the evening, the last month of my pregnancy, and it was really hard, but I was asked to move as much as I could. Later I made hummus, which I didn't take a video because it was already late and I had to hurry for it. And moreover, I have made this many times. it's finally time for dinner. I guess it was 2 days later I had my final scanning. Doctor examined and asked me to get admitted as I was already a centimeter dilated. So that's all for my video today, which was taken before delivery. I wish to come back soon with another vlog, but I can't promise when would be my next vlog. But I'll try my level best to keep you all updated. Meanwhile, don't forget about Shah's, our clothing store, and the Eid collections. We have limited stock as a lot have been sold out already. And thank you so much for your lovely reviews on the quality and designs. Means a lot to us. Take care everyone. See you soon. Bye bye.